Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping gear and selecting the spot. Get the net, check mesh and hoop integrity, and confirm floats and weights are secure. Once done, position yourself so the current or wind works for you, not against you, and approach quietly. This reduces fish spooking. Make sure the line is untangled and the net sits ready across your lap or boat rail. This immediate setup saves time and prevents mid-cast problems once you start the capture. You cast the net with a smooth, full-arm motion, aiming just ahead of the schooling or single fish because they swim forward as the net lands. Once the net hits water, let it spread. That's why you open it fully before release. As it sinks, time the pull so the lead line cinches evenly. This traps fish under the closing rim. Keep movements calm and steady. Jerky lifts let fish escape, so you can retrieve a full, intact catch. You finish by hauling the lead line evenly toward the center to close the bag and avoid one-sided strain that tears mesh. Once secured, remove fish quickly and safely. Keep them wet if releasing or dispatch humanely if keeping. If you encounter tangles or a snagged weight, stop pulling, reverse a bit to relieve tension, free the line, then resume slowly. One key troubleshooting tip: if the net drags or snags, backtrack the cast path so you can free obstructions without worsening the damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.